Your book is finished. The hard part's behind you. Now it's time to bring your creation to life through confident professional self-publishing. Self-publishing gives you control, keeps your rights, and speeds up the process. You decide your book's future, from design to distribution. The self-publishing plan maps every step, preparing files, choosing platforms, managing your book launch, and marketing with purpose. Inside the plan, you'll find links, checklists, and tutorials for everything: formatting tools, ISBN sources, and the best platforms for print and ebooks. Learn how to position your book, grow your audience, and launch effectively. Step-by-step resources make marketing manageable, even for first-time authors. Each step in your plan keeps you organized. No guesswork, no overwhelm. Just a clear visual system guiding you from setup to success. You've come this far. It's time to give your book a future in readers' hands. Open the self-publishing plan and take the final step toward authorship.